Can I ask what your name is so I just have it down?
Simeon. I'm a groundskeeper. We're trying to get ready for commencement, and so you can see the tulips are kind of done, so we want to get things prepared so things look really, really nice for commencement. I don't mind being meticulous, so that's about, I'm okay with that.
My name is Trish Aschenbrenner. I am an assistant store manager here at the bookstore, and working on the custom zone here. So the custom zone right now, we are gearing up for commencement weekend, looking to personalize many items for the graduates. We're super excited to be able to offer this service. It's just a step up from just buying Notre Dame gear. Maybe it says alumni, but to be able to put your name on it, put your class of on there, maybe what your degree is in, has really been exciting to see. The students have really responded to that. We've done a ton of stole of gratitude where they're getting their names and class of on there. So that's been just a great addition to what we do every day. I actually handle all the cap and gown for the university as well. So this is, big time of year for us. It's what I've been gearing up for the last couple of months. So much excitement. I think just seeing these kids who have put in years of hard work, to see that come into it, and it's kind of bittersweet actually, A lot of kids we see year after year come in to get their textbooks, and now they're finally coming in like, hey, I'm graduating this year. So super exciting to share this moment with them, to be able to be here for them, and then send them on their way. So looking forward to the next class coming in.
We're just going to run one through. Is that what you want to do?
Great.
Sharon Scott, and I work at St. Michael's Laundry, press line, bundles. I do a little bit of everything back there. The gowns are a main priority. A lot of them went to the bookstore to get their gowns, and they were in a plastic bag. We pulled them out, identified the gown for each student, and then we brought them back here, pulled them out of there, throw them through the steam tunnel, hand press them. Yeah, it makes me feel great. I love it. I'm very proud to work for Notre Dame. And it's just something special. Just like for your own child, you want them to look nice. So that's the basic gist of it. We want them to be happy.
This is Chef Calvin. This is his domain here. Executive Chef Morrison, looking at me. Got a half-order fries drop. My name's Seth Vanderlaan. I'm the Director of Culinary Hospitality for University of Notre Dame. Commencement weekend for us is very busy. We have lots of events going on in multiple different locations. I'm bouncing between here, Legends Restaurant, the Center of Culinary Excellence, just making sure that all the parties, the plated events, the buffets and whatnot go out smoothly. We have a fantastic team led by talented executive chefs and their team that do a phenomenal job of getting the variety of events out. So we do everything from a plate up of 300 people to a buffet for 12 people. So it's just, and then of course we have our freestanding restaurants that are serving guests as they come in the door. This moment right now, we have 3 lunch buffets going off at the same time as a regular lunch service here in Roars. And then our Center of Culinary Excellence is putting out also 2 lunches at the same time, so 2 buffets, and then tonight we are preparing for 3 plate ups. So we're doing 2 prep shifts at the same time as executing 5 events. So obviously food has a shelf life. So usually we're able to have like a prep day or some prep time preparing for events. But when you have commencement weekend, we have multiple events starting on the Friday. So the fresh food that we're preparing is only able to be prepared on busy days like Fridays. We're preparing for Saturday and Sunday today while we're executing events. Yeah, so this is actually my first commencement weekend. I started 3 months ago, but I can tell you that we have a lot of different departments all kind of, joining together to help. We have, associates from campus dining who have offered support to help out, whether it be the restaurants or our banquets at the CCE. So everybody just kind of comes together and supports one team, one unit, and produce great events and great quality food.
We're just lining the chairs, making sure that they're all in uniform for commencement. Try to get it done within a decent amount of time. We always run into rain, it seems, or humidity or something.
Right now it's solemn because it just started raining and everybody is trying to stay dry.
So my name is Lance Nettrower. I work within the registrar's office. It's Friday afternoon, 2 days before commencement, and what we have is the finishing touches being put on the commencement stage, and then also we're running through our walkthroughs and rehearsals for both the students, the valedictorian, salutatorian, and also our faculty. Honestly, in the current situation that we're in right now, the only crunch time thing is putting up the finishing touches on our programs to make sure that we are well prepared for when we open up the gates and parents come in and everything's visually easy for them to see and know where to go get information and find their seats.
This feels like the Super Bowl, yeah?
Yeah, and we embrace it. We know that there's going to be a lot of long hours. We know there's going to be a lot of questions from a lot of different departments that we may or may not have even spoken to throughout the entire year. But we are here to serve them, and we are here to make sure that whatever experience that the parents or students are expecting is a good one. I told this to many people. I've been a part of Notre Dame for 7 years, and this is year 2 going into me being part of the registrar's office. And it's an amazing team of professionals that deal with high levels of stress and requests, and we always seem to be able to find a way to balance each other out and to deliver. Every department takes a lot of ownership over their specific role, but they also play as a team.
Yeah, he's been here forever.
Okay. Jack?
Yeah, Jack McDonald
Okay.
himself.
How many commencements have you been a part of?
10?
10?
10?
Okay. All right, so describe the scene for me right now, Jack.
Describe the scene. Well, right now it's utter chaos. No, it's not. It's wonderful because what we've been able to do is take a football stadium and turn it into a graduation living room, which is basically what it becomes. We're going to have about 3,700 grads come through here, and it's going to be choreographed from the library, the Hesburgh Library, down 2 sidewalks with the banners with each school. And having gone to graduate school of history here, my grandfather, class of 1910, civil engineering, captain of the football team that beat Michigan. My father, 51 and 54 law, Richard McDonald, who never saw Frank Leahy lose a game in 4 years. And then my daughter's 2017 MBA. So
what you're saying is commencement?
Little bit, because first we lay down the field, we did this gray flooring, and that takes about a day and a half. We turn the tunnel for the football team into a semi-truck path onto the field. And we will have crews of about 25, 35 people down here, mainly locals, and then we'll also have stadium grounds people. Yep. Thank God for them.
What keeps you coming back and doing this each year?
I grew up here. I was baptized here, married here, buried my parents here. I'll be buried here. I just love Notre Dame. My family's been here, my grandfather, since 1906. I was born over in Vettville, where the library is. I just grew up here, and from the days my dad used to take me to listen to Frank O'Malley, the English legend here, and Father Hesburgh helped me with my father's eulogy when he died in 2012. It's his home, and it keeps me going, keeps the legs busy and the mind busy, and that's the secret to happiness. And my wife lets me dance at Notre Dame. She knows where I'm at. Always at Notre Dame. Yeah. So,
Jack,
thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's okay. Tell me your name and what you're doing today.
Hi, my name is Rudy Sila. We're from Fort Wayne, Indiana, and we're here for a second graduation for my son. He was undergrad a couple of years ago, and now he's graduate school. So we are here celebrating Luke Sila.
So you're proud. Tell me what it feels like in your heart.
Absolutely. You know, it blows me away that we're here. I mean, Notre Dame not only embraces the student, but the whole family. They really do. And it's been special for our whole family. So, go Irish.
At this, the 178th Commencement Exercise for the University of Notre Dame, we, the Chief Marshals of the University, have assembled the graduates, degree candidates, and the faculty in academic procession. We now direct that the gates of the arena be opened for the academic procession of the class of 2023.
As we learn to risk showcasing our authentic personality, weaknesses and all, we become a powerful force for good in society. The world will be a better place with our whole selves in it. Thank you.
Be compassionate, be tolerant, and be simply good people. Because out of compassion, tolerance, and kindness, a better world will be born. I am grateful for the immense honor of being conferred an honorary degree in this great university. Today, like you, dear colleagues at the University of Notre Dame, I wear the colors and insignia of this campus. Let's raise our arms like touchdown Jesus and say it once again with all our enthusiasm. Go Irish, play like a champion, go class of 2023. Congratulations and many thanks.
I solemnly and publicly confer on you the degree recommended by your dean. We admit you to all its rights and privileges and remind you of the responsibilities you are about to assume. May God bless and keep you. Congratulations. And wherever you go, and whatever happens in your life, you always have a home at Notre Dame to renew your heart and refresh your spirit. God bless you all.
That's true. I'm currently graduating, so right now I'm trying to take a picture in front of the dome on the stairs because I've graduated and I can actually go on them now. So.
My name's Joe Lubetsky. I also go by Shaggy to a lot of people on campus here. We finally just graduated our massive commencement ceremony. It's been a dream for the last 4 years to finally make it here. Big bumps along the ride, but I'm just so grateful for everybody around. This was an amazing, special moment. There have been times where I honestly thought I wouldn't make it. It was honestly just breathtaking. A little bit stuffy in all of the gowns and everybody around, but I wouldn't have it any other way. It was just fantastic being able to see all the professors that meant so much to us following us on the way out. It was great.
Brenda Shore, and I'm here to celebrate my son's graduation from the University of Notre Dame. The celebration of the steps. He eventually got the opportunity to go walk up them. So,
It's an emotional day, huh?
Yeah, it's
Can
cool.
you tell me more what it feels like?
To say the least. I walk around, I still say I told him from his first day, don't ever wake up and take this place for granted and enjoy the moment.